Yes. So basically I've got my RCA cable jammed into this jack here. My TV was on the wall. It was there for, I don't know, a year or something. I had something completely irrelevant plugged in there. I forgot about it. And then I went and bought something today, a speaker that I wanted to get plugged in. And I couldn't plug it in because something is stuck in this one. And as you can see, it's a bit bent. I'm hoping it will work anyway. But I saw on YouTube that what you need to do is get a nail like this, heat it up, and try and get it out. Now since it's broken anyway, I feel like I've got nothing to lose, so here goes. So you heat it up, apparently keep it in there for 10 seconds. I don't know how long you're supposed to heat it up for. So here goes nothing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, my luck, this won't work, but we'll see. In fact, I'm just going to leave it in there for a bit more, just to be on the safe side. And I pray that this works, because I just want to watch some TV with some decent sound. Alright, here we go. Oh! Can't believe it! That is amazing. Unbelievable. Nice one, YouTube.